Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into BambooHR employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Here, type in www.bamboohr.com, then press enter. BambooHR is an online human resource management system designed to make it easier for small businesses to manage their HR information. Once you end up in the official page, click on the login button. Here, enter your company domain name and tap on the continue button. Then it will ask for your employee password. Type it in, and after logging in, you can access the features like tracking time out, onboarding, performance management, and much more. And that is how you can sign in into BambooHR employee account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.